Okay, so our task for today is to split a line that I made a couple of months back. I didn't have this fuse box yet, so I had to split two lines. Well, to have one power source, and we're gonna split that and then load it here into the fuse box, so they'd have their own individual lines and they'll have their own fuses. Okay, so this is the splitter, and this is the line that goes to this path here, which is the power line for our external lights. And this line goes to the evil energy cutout exhaust, which we only turn on when we need to, for extra speed or extra power. All right, let's get started. All right, there you have it. Let me show this to you. This one, we used to have it here installed. We broke down to two lines now, which was the rear light and the exhaust valve. So now they were coupled in together, and now they have their own fuses. They have their own lines. So when we turn this on, let's turn this on. Yep, so if there was something wrong with the light or the fuses, these things would light up, so we're okay. So there you have it. Thank you so much. Peace.